Good evening, guys. Welcome back to Post Market Report from Financial Independence Channel. So let's look at what happened in the market today and what is the outlook for future tomorrow and what is the trade setup for tomorrow. So currently, SGS Nifty is trading at 78 points down. Dow Jones is close to 400 points down. Nasdaq is also, it is just close to flat. So what happened in Indian market today? Nifty made a gravestone doji, which is also a negative pattern. So I am expecting personally, I am expecting a gap down to follow, but 15,800 levels will be protected. I don't think any much fall will come until unless if there is any negative inflows from globally. And again, 15,700 levels will act as supports. As of now, 15,900, 16,000 is continued to be the huge resistance, and 15,800, 700 levels are continued to be good supports. So today it met all the targets. Yesterday, whatever we had informed on our channel, 15,900 it met. Bank Nifty outperformed today. It hit all the targets for today, as that it went close to 35,800 levels, and then again it dropped from there. So again today Reliance and Tata Motors was the main culprit who pulled the market back to 15,800 area. So coming to Bank Nifty, HDFC Bank, if you see, HDFC Bank already went past 1,528 area, which I have been keep on reiterating since a long time, almost 2 weeks. So once it starts sustaining at this area, so it already closed above 1528, which is 1524, which is the resistance area or the supply area. So this supply will act as this resistance will act as the support for now. So any fall, this supply area, this resistance will be acting as a support for the future. So as I said earlier in the yesterday's video and weekend video, so anything above this, it will pull upside to 1578, which will also pull Bank Nifty to the 36,000 and above levels. ICC Bank above 650, so it has sustained above 644 levels, and then today it took a takeoff close to 655, and then again it dropped in the afternoon. So banking sector is looking very bullish as of now. So it is the turn now for Bank Nifty to pull up or push Nifty past 16,000 levels. But Reliance and other stocks also have to support on that, heavyweight index stocks. So what happened in Tata Motors today? Tata Motors, there is a chip shortage issue, but this is not only for Tata Motors, it is for every other companies there. So it is already a value company. So anything below this now will be considered as an opportunity to buy. For me, I will consider 270 as an stop loss to buy to accumulate more on these levels. So maybe for 1 or 2 days, it may be Nifty and Tata Motor stocks may survive on the downside, but then again it will pull back. So for me personally, I am expecting tomorrow a small gap down, and then 15,800 will take the support because there was a huge action today. I maybe I'm expecting 15. So Wednesday will be not that much volatile because usually Wednesdays are volatile, but today all action happened on the upside and the downside. So tomorrow we have to wait for how the data is coming from the global cues. So anything below this 15,800 area, 15,700 will be acting as the key support. So I am expecting a range bound to negative market for tomorrow. So IT sector today, TCS 58 points down, Infy 16 points down. Most of the IT stocks are performing poor today. So Hero Motoka on the auto stocks, Hero Motoka, Maruti, Bajaj Auto, Ashok Leyland, all were performing poor, but there was a huge fall in Tata Motors. So again, Nifty, small caps and mid caps continue to outperform well. Most of the specialty companies, even small specialty companies are, specialty chemical companies are performing very good. Yesterday I informed about this, the hotel stocks today, Indian Hotels and Wonderla. Most of the stocks from the hotel sector were performing very good. So again, mid caps and small caps rally continues. So coming to FA DA data, FA had sold for 543 crores and DA continued to support on these higher levels. So it's a good thing to watch. It's a good support. Metals again struggling on the same area. Coal India, Coal Pal, Colgate Palmolive, Ancor, Cummins India. So pharmacy stocks were also not performing very good today. Consumer stocks, FMCG stocks like Godrej Consumer again today outperformed very well. IRCTC opened close to 2200 and then it made a small dip. Anything below 2160 will be considered as a sell zone. So we have to watch out for tomorrow. So let's wait for the data from the global cues for tomorrow. That's all guys. And I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. And please share with your friends. And if you have any queries or comments, please post in the comment sections. Thanks guys. Good night.